I slept dreadfully last night, thinking about how I upset you.
You didn't upset me.
I know.
I wasn't upset. I just got a bit angry.
I understand. Well, I
have nothing against you, your opinions, or anything else. But what I do think is best just to face the person and say it. Otherwise, if you go around sort of talking to other people, it makes it sound as if you're trying to turn people against people. And that is like school time. And I have a bad reaction to it. That's all. Nothing else. I've got nothing against you personally, like you personally. Absolutely nothing to do with anything like that. But I think if you got to say anything, you say it to Anne. Tell her what you think.
Well, I actually think out of everybody that I do sit down and talk to Anne about things. At the end of the day, I don't want everybody in the world to agree with my opinion at all.
No, of course you don't.
I
sometimes think that it would be a sort of blessing if people didn't expect other people to accept them. You can't ask people to accept you or accept a community. You can only accept individuals and the way they behave.
To be honest, it's gotten to that point where, and I think you've said even earlier, where I'm like, I'm sick of my own voice now.
Aren't we all sick of our voices? I get halfway through a sentence, oh, could have said mine, it's too boring to get to the end of it.
Yeah.
What I can wish you today is a good day. And if you've got anything to say it to me. It won't make any difference, but just say it.
Well, that's why I wanted to come to you first and have a chat, and then...
Don't be silly, darling. I don't hold things like that about things. I really don't. It's not in my nature to do that.
And me either.